Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for a fast and secure way to pay using your phone? In this video, we'll break down what Google Pay is and how it works all in under 5 minutes. Google Pay is a free digital wallet and online payment system by Google. It lets you make contactless payments in stores and send or receive money and pay for things online using just your phone. Here's how it works. Download the Google Pay app from the Play Store, App Store, or App Store. Add your debit or credit card. Your bank may send a one-time verification. To pay in stores, just unlock your phone and tap it near the payment terminal. No need to open the app. It uses NFCs, like near field communication, and is encrypted for security. Then click add payment method, add debit cards or credit cards, then enter your card details and save it. Then enter your addresses, then go to settings. You can use address from here. You can use Google Pay for in-store purchases at places that support contactless payments, online checkouts on apps and websites, sending money to friends and family in supported countries, paying bills and recharges varies uh, by region. Some stores even let you scan QR codes to pay directly. Yes, it's very safe. Your card number isn't shared directly. Instead, Google Pay uses tokenization. A virtual account number replaces your actual card details. Plus, you will need your fingerprint, PIN, or face unlock to approve payments. Google Pay is a convenient, secure, and fast way to manage your payments. It works both in person and online and supports a wide range of banks. Whether you are shipping, whether you are shopping or splitting bills, Google Pay makes it easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.